Hello everyone, Jan here today. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a personalized lead outreach campaign with Needle. So there are different tools that you can use in the world to do like a mass outreach, a mass cold outreach to different kind of people. But as you recognize, the response rate is a very important factor of the efficiency and the success of your campaign. So the more personalized your outreach email is, the higher likelihood that the other person is also going to respond. And for that I have created here this template which allows you to run personalized lead outreach. You simply just need to go here to this Google Sheet, plug in the Google Sheet, whatever Google Sheet you're using. And in this Google Sheet, you may want to define your leads. So in this case, I have added here one lead to it, and it's actually myself. And so then you can use this information and run this workflow. And what this workflow actually does is it takes all the rows from this Google Sheet, and for each row, it does here like a search web. So we're actually searching the user, Jan Heimis, then online, and it's going to retrieve some information based on our website. We then also want to do like create an email based on the input that we get. Like we get some input from this Google Sheet, right? What tools he's using, who he is, and so on. We enrich this with a web search. And finally, we want to go here, send an email. So we are sending an email to the recipient, and we can give it a subject. In this case, I have sent to our last 500 users an email. We can execute it now and see the output. So you see, I executed this workflow. Workflow run has completed. And if we go to our emails, we are here in our emails and we see, hey Jan, thanks for signing up to Needle on October, blah, blah, blah. As a co-founder and CEO, interested in Google Drive, I wanted to reach out personally. And I would love to learn more about you and how Needle can actually fit your workflow. And because this is personalized based on me, I remember I'm kind of signed up for Needle that day, and I'm also kind of interested in Google Drive, that's right. I'm much more likely to answer to this email than when it is just generated with OpenAI, for example, a very generic message which feels very AI. This message has some character of automation, but it is personalized, so that makes the conversation rate of people answering to your email much higher, which is in the end kind of the main criteria we are wanting to do. Imagine you reach out to 1,000 people and you can increase your response rate from, let's say, 1% to 10%. It means you can reach 90 people more, and means 90 people more that you can validate, for example, your idea with, or have potentially a sales call with, where in the end you can then close a deal. So try this workflow. It's a free template that you can use here. Send personalized emails to leads. You can just use it, click on use workflow, and you're directly just set to go. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a comment down below how you are seeing this workflow and how you're going to use it, and also what other workflows you would think are very valuable for you to automate your manual work and increase your productivity. With this said, thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Cheers.